To successfully integrate Afterpay into your online store, follow these best practices. First, ensure you meet Afterpay's merchant requirements, including having a secure website and a clear refund and return policy. Once approved, you will receive access to Afterpay's merchant portal where you can customize your payment settings and track transactions. Next, choose the right integration method for your business, either through Afterpay's API or a pre-built plugin for e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. The API method provides more customization options but requires technical expertise, while plugins offer a simpler and faster setup process. When integrating Afterpay, display clear messaging about the service, including the fact that it allows customers to pay for purchases in 4 interest-free installments. Ensure that Afterpay is prominently featured as a payment option during checkout, and that customers are aware of the eligibility criteria and any applicable fees. To streamline the checkout process, consider implementing a dynamic Afterpay messaging system that updates in real time based on the customer's purchase amount and eligibility. This will help reduce cart abandonment rates and increase conversion. Additionally, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly, such as when a customer is declined for Afterpay or when a payment installment fails. Provide clear instructions on how to resolve these issues and offer alternative payment options to minimize disruption to the customer experience. Finally, regularly review and optimize your Afterpay integration to ensure it remains aligned with your business goals and customer needs. Monitor transaction data and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments as necessary to maximize the benefits of offering Afterpay as a payment option. By following these best practices, you can ensure a seamless and effective integration of Afterpay into your online store, providing your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option that can help drive sales and revenue growth.